Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about the reactions of alcohols and carbonyls, and then talking about the different tests there are for carbonyls. So let's get into it. One more thing before we actually get into the video. Since Christmas is coming up, as a nice little gift, it's from you to me, is to smash that subscribe button. I doubt we'll get to 200 by the end of the year, but as a nice little Christmas gift, can we get to 150? That way we're halfway there, and you guys won't be pressured that much next year. Or else, trust me, or else I'll be just pressing it on every single video. Okay, so first off, let's take a look at the reaction of alcohols. Because alcohols mostly go through a nucleophilic substitution to form haloalkanes, alkenes, carboxylic acids, which carboxylic acids aren't a nucleophilic substitution. They are an oxidization reaction, as well as aldehydes and ketones. However, there's also a special one of which alcohols can do, and that is esterification, when they react with a carboxylic acid to form an ester, which that is really interesting. Now on to the reactions of carbonyls. These only really have two, in which, if you're not sure what a carbonyl is, those are aldehydes and ketones, and in a way also carboxylic acids, but not really, because they react differently. So the reactions you can get are still nucleophilic substitution, but you can react one with sodium hydrobromide to actually form an alcohol, or with hydrocyanide to get a hydroxynitrile. Now on to tests for carbonyls. First off, the one for aldehydes, because this one is easier to remember. For the test for aldehyde is known as Tollens reagent. This one is also known as the silver mirror reaction. If an aldehyde is present and the reaction works perfectly, you will see a silver mirror occurring along the surface. As I said, if it goes perfectly, because it does somewhat go wrong, for example getting black dots, or having it that you have some silver dots along a black surface, go very bad and be just pure black, or absolute failure, of which nothing happens. You haven't proven whether it's an aldehyde or not. That can happen. But the other one is the test for carbon, in which it is that one with a really long name, which for some reason we were expected to remember, also by an acronym, DNPH or DNZH. But when I was actually going through a revision guide, either that or my textbook, don't remember which one, it actually said a good name for this is known as Brady's reagent. Brady's reagent is the one for the test for carbonyl. So if it's successful, it will go either orange or yellow. This is the test for carbonyl, and it is pretty useful. Yeah. And that is it for this video. That is all for the tests of alcohols and carbonyls. I haven't explained nucleophilic substitution because there's already a video on that. Go and check it out. I will put the thumbnail here. So I'd recommend going to see that video, and hopefully you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll be posting more soon. And I'm going to change the schedule a bit for the next week. That way I don't have to do on Christmas Day, because what I'm going to do is do the end of year ones as a series. You're going to get throughout the week. And part of that is you'll be getting the answers to Dark Rex's ARG. So if you are struggling with that, I'd recommend watching it. Seriously, I'd recommend watching it.